Hello Fragheads and gorgeous people, this is Pondyfragboy and I have a new package that I'm going to unbox in front of you. So let's find out what it is. Okay, it's something from Coisy B. It's a new brand. If you have not heard about it, it's something that you're going to keep hearing a lot moving forward. Watch out. Super excited for this collab with Coisy B, and keep watching for the unboxing videos of the different perfumes. So what do we have here? We have shades. I have already posted something recently on Instagram. You must have seen that. So this is definitely something I look forward to reviewing. Then I have Mood, something which is also very exciting. And then I have the two that I really want to try. Are going to be amazing. I see something's been opened up. That's not really cool. It was going through the customs and then they've opened it. So we have Dangerous, which is one of the favorite ones that I really wanted to review for a long time. And then we have the brother or the younger brother or the sibling called Danger. So yeah, so I have four very nice perfumes that I'm going to unbox. And then I have some samples from the house, Coisy B. I have a visiting card which says Coisy B and has the contact details. So yes, what else do I have here? I have some other stuff. It seems interesting. Not sure what it is. It looks like a brush or something, but I'm going to check it out. And I have a card from Coisy B herself saying, have a lovely week. Love you back, Coisy B. Really grateful to be able to do this collab with you. And some more samples, so I'm super excited. I will be doing the unboxing videos, the full unboxing that is, so keep watching and do feel free to put your comments about which one is your favorite, if you've tried something, or if you've not, which ones would you like to try, and I will do like a full review, like a really full length review for those ones. Okay, so keep watching Pondyfragboy. Until next time.